One sunny day, a little rabbit went to the field looking for carrots. Oh, some carrots! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Great! That's 3 carrots. The rabbit hopped a little further. Wow, more carrots! Let's count. 1, 2. That's 2 more carrots. Now let's count all the carrots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rabbit has 5 carrots. Suddenly, her friends the squirrel come by. The squirrel asked, Remy, can you give me 1 carrot? Remy happily gave the carrot to her friend. Now how many carrots does Remy have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remy was very happy. She learned that when you add, numbers get bigger. When you subtract, number gets smaller.